welcome back to Diamond Painting by Donnie. Today I'm unboxing or unbagging a product from Everydayedeals.com. And I received this August 24th. This was before I had the issue with the copyrighted image that I had shown on one of my videos. So I did do a reverse image search through TinEye and through Google image search, and it's safe, thank goodness. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up, and this is how it came. I don't remember when it was I ordered it or they put it through. I could probably look that up, but like I said, I got it on August 24th. I don't think it took too long, but of course it's coming from China. The shipping has gotten way better than it was during the beginning of the COVID crisis. So here is the package. Now the image is called Urban Landmark, and this is what it looks like. So I'm guessing you could figure out I picked this image because of all the beautiful colors, and I was given different choices on what kind of a package I wanted to show, and one was where I got to pick one big image, and another one was where I could pick several smaller images, and I wanted to pick the bigger image because I do find that the larger the image, the better the quality when you order from a mass product shop like this. And this is 100 by 50, but I do assume that it is the canvas size, not the image size. So we're going to go ahead and look at what we got here. It has 26 colors, all letters. Oh, yay. So there is our key, nice and big. Get you more centered a little bit. So there are some lowercase letters along with uppercase letters, but still, it makes it where it's really hard to get symbols mixed up that way. And I did have an image preview of what the canvas looked like before I chose this one, and that's why I went ahead and went with it, because, well, you'll see, I think it has a very good image, turnout image. The canvas is a bit wrinkled, but this is a poured glue canvas, so these should come out as I hang it or put it under heavy objects. So this is a big one, guys, so we're gonna have to bear with me while I unroll it and unroll it. Alright, let's look at the toolkit and the drills real quick here. Well, we're not gonna look at the drills first, but here's our big bag of drills. 26 colors, so there's not a lot of separate colors. Find a place to set it. Alright, we get two toolkits. Yeah, so we get 2 green boats, 2 pink pens, and 2 small squares of wax. And let's see this canvas now. Alright, let's turn it the right way. Oh my. So we'll start on this side here with the statue. Look at how clear that is. Oh my gosh. Yeah, just from seeing the image on the website and then seeing this, I do believe this will come out pretty darn clear. So what we have here is the Statue of Liberty. Not sure, this is some kind of train, I think. But I think this is the eye. I think that's in London. But then we have Big Ben, and I think this is the Golden Gate Bridge. And then we have, I'm not really good with landmarks, but we've got more. This looks like something in Russia. It looks like something from Dubai. Oh, and this is Australia. And then we've got, yeah, here, India. And I think once it's done, you'll be able to see more of the different landmarks. But we've got the pyramid here. think this might be to buy. I'm not sure. But man, there are a lot, and it's super colorful. Look at the rainbow of colors, guys. Oh my gosh. So down below, you can see it's like on the waterfront. And then up here, you can see it's got a night sky. So the silhouette, well, it's set against a night sky. So the lights from the buildings just give that glow. And then we've got the darkness at the top. Color blocking, yes, we will have color blocking. We've got a lot of the same color. It's not speckled, it's just one color. Let me check this. Okay, the sticky is nice and good. Nice and good. Nice and sticky. So, look at that. Beautiful. Lots of color blocking. But there is also confetti. You're looking at quite a bit of confetti in the Ferris wheel here. In the Statue of Liberty. Most of the buildings, though, except for the one that looks like it's in Russia, they have mostly color blocking. A good mix of color blocking and confetti. But the sky fills up a good part of this. I mean, because you've got the darker part and then the lighter part that goes in between, so you're going to be color blocking that. And then down in the water, they're in color blocks. This might be one of those images where I would need to replace with opaque sheets. Now, I started replacing my some of my diamond paintings that came in strips, and I replaced them with parchment paper. So I did keep those strips, and I kept them in a roll here. I might use these and do one strip at a time, just because it's a little easier than trying to keep this flat. But that's not going to be enough. I do sell them in my shop. I carry the opaque kind, and I have them in the large size, which is double your normal size of the opaque sheets. And then I have this one that I just haven't listed yet, but it'll be listed by the time you see this video. And let me show you. These sheets, they're kind of opaque, but they're not. They're pretty see-through. So they're thinner than the opaque sheets. So it's more like parchment paper. But they have a waxy side, and then they have a dull side. So we're going to try that out on this, because I think I'm going to actually replace this cover paper with this. It also helps me with keeping it a surprise as to what's coming, because, you know, sometimes I like to just see it uncover as it comes. Sorry, yeah, this is supposed to be an unboxing for this, but I'll link these in the description down below. But I do want to put this on here, and then we're going to measure it. I want to just make sure this works, because there's no way. This is bugging me. I can't get the air pockets out because it's just too big. So I'm going to test this paper, and let's see. Yeah, the waxy side comes right off. Yeah, you don't, okay, so yeah, you want to put it waxy side down. And these are large, so they will fit on very nicely. You won't have to use as many. And it kind of looks like parchment paper, but it's not. And it is safe for diamond painting. So that takes up a good square. The other sheets are half this size. So, yeah, I like that. I like the feel of that. So that's what I'm going to replace this cover with. I won't do it on camera, but that's what I'm going to be doing. These, yeah, but these are thinner, so they're not as cumbersome, or, I mean, thick as the other ones. But some people do like that opaque, completely opaque look. I mean, this you can still kind of see through, but they're really good quality. Let's just look at this drill filled. Yeah, I'm going to have to fold it up a little bit because my arms do not stretch that way. Alright. Here we go. Yeah, look at those symbols. Those are nice and clear. It gets a little jumbled in there where the confetti is because they do have actual circles. There's no training wheels, so you don't have to worry about the black line showing through. I gotta show this a different way. But the colors are actually in a shape of a circle. I don't think I've seen a canvas done this way. That is quite interesting. Okay, here we go. There we go. Yeah, so even the K, as you can see, it does have a little darker of a blue circle around it. You can tell it more on the edge. The edge right there. The K's there. You can see this, how it's in a circle, and then the spaces in between the symbols actually have the background color that you want to show through to blend in with the color of the drills. But yeah, that is very interesting how they do it like that. I may have diamond paintings like this with the coloring like that, but I just don't remember ever seeing something like this. That is interesting. But yeah, these symbols are nice and clear. Now the price on this, because it's so big, is $46.51. I did notice, however, that they have buy two get one free, or it might be buy one get one free. I'm not sure. So yeah, I'll link the link to this image down below also, and you can go check it out if you want. All right, so let's look at the drills. But you can see, well, here, I'll show you. This is so clear. I mean, it looks really good. I mean, it looks like the image that I'm looking at right side by side. So, yeah, this will be fun because I love doing the color blocking because it makes it go so quick when I'm on that part. And, of course, using my tray towers makes the confetti go a lot quicker too. I'm getting a new desk set up, so I'm going to be able to do that a little easier here in the craft room. Alright, so let's look at these drills. We said 26 colors, and where did I put them? Alright, here they are. Oh, do they have DMC codes? Didn't notice, did I? Yes, there are DMC codes on the canvas. And it does not look like it is on the bags, just on the canvas. So make sure you, anyway, there's numbers too. So just make sure you don't make sure you label your container after you pour your drills in it so you know what it is. But that's common sense. All right, what do we got? So let's start with number 1. I'm going to turn it around here. And I'll zoom you in so you can see a little bit better. Okay. So 1 looks like it's number 154. Yes, it is number 154. It's 154 DMC number, and there are 3 bags of it. Alright, and then we got like 208 or something like that, and then 3, I believe, is 310, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310. I'm double checking, just because I don't want to tell you something that's not true. So yeah, those are 310. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bags of 310. And then we move into some brighter colors. Oh yes, purple, here we come. And oh man, these colors are just going to look so nice together on this canvas. And then there's a pinkish red, salmon-y type color. It's a little pinker than salmon. And then a magenta. And we've got orange. And a little bit of gray here, a light gray. And then very last color here is orange. So I was gonna say it kind of looks like they were going by the color chart as to what started over on the far left, which was the purples, but that is not true. So I'll just shut my mouth and keep showing you the colors. Oh, look at those pretty greens. So there's 2 bags of this green here. Oh, and I love this color, this turquoise, aqua, teal type color. Yeah, in the camera, it looks just blue. But here in person, I don't know if I get closer, you can tell the real color. Nope, it just goes blurry. Oh, that didn't work. Alright, so, and then some more of a pinkish color there, and another beautiful blue here. 2 bags. I'm guessing that's going to be the background behind where the Big Ben is, because there's a lot of blue there. And then another beautiful blue, probably 820. And let's see, this green here has 1 bag, and then this green has 2 bags. That one has 2 bags. And then this looks like it's 959 or 823. And there's 2 bags of that. Another beautiful blue. And then a couple bags of this brownish color. This is a really pretty image, and I'm just really surprised. I had never seen it before advertised as a diamond painting, but it actually, when I did my reverse image search, it did show up. But the only places it showed up were on diamond painting sites. So, I'm pretty happy that I'm not going to have to worry about it. I'm not taking it from some artist that isn't getting paid for their work. And it's absolutely gorgeous. The colors are just to die for. And I honestly can't wait to have time to be able to do this rainbow of colors. So let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to hit that thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And Tesslynn wants to say something. Oh.
Hello.
Okay, that's all you wanted to do. Go finish your dinner. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Have fun diamond painting, and don't forget to always sparkle wherever you go and whatever you do. Take care, everyone. Bye.